Gordy's Hill has always been one of New Mexico's most iconic off-highway playgrounds. And now, thanks to an incredible community effort, exploring it just got safer, clearer, and better than ever. The New Mexico four-wheelers, with strong support from the New Mexico Off-Highway Vehicle Alliance, the BLM Socorro Field Office, and the New Mexico Department of Game and Fish, have successfully completed a major trail signage project at Gordy's Hill. It's been nearly 20 years since NMOHVA installed the very first OHV sign here. This latest effort builds on that legacy and marks one of the most significant improvements to the area in years. At the heart of this project was the New Mexico four-wheelers. NM4W coordinated the on-the-ground work, volunteer labor, installation planning, and field execution. The club worked closely with the New Mexico Off-Highway Vehicle Alliance for fiscal management and administrative support, the BLM Socorro Field Office for route coordination and approval, and the New Mexico Department of Game and Fish OHV program, whose funding made the signs possible. Other organizations, including the Blue Ribbon Coalition, local businesses, and regional four-wheel drive clubs, provided letters of support and helped champion the project. But the boots on the ground, the planning, the muscle, the actual installation, came from NM4W volunteers. The project installed 25 brand new trailhead signs, each built to withstand the elements and clearly identify the recently designated official routes. Every sign includes the trail name, a difficulty rating, a short trail description, recommended equipment, and BLM route numbers. 25 trails, from easy scenic routes to extreme technical challenges, were officially marked. If it's a popular designated four-wheel drive trail in the Johnson Hill Transportation and Recreation Management Plan, it now has a clear, permanent sign. These signs do more than point the way. They help every visitor, from first-timers to long-time wheeler veterans, choose routes that match their skill level and vehicle capability. That means less trail damage, fewer recoveries, more responsible recreation, and a better experience for everyone. By clearly identifying official routes, the project also helps reduce off-trail travel and protects the surrounding landscape. This is stewardship in action. From planning to installation, the entire project was completed in 2025, thanks to dozens of NM4W volunteers putting in the hours to get it done. The result? A cleaner, safer, more user-friendly Gordy's Hill that will benefit the OHV community for years to come. And every sign proudly acknowledges the organizations that made it possible, especially the New Mexico four-wheelers who led the charge.